Monday at 7:30 p.m. Singapore time, and here we discuss basic mathematics for grade 7. Now, grade 7 mathematics is generally common all across the globe. So, if you're studying CBSE or IGCSE or IB or American curriculum or Australian curriculum or any other curriculum for that matter, it doesn't affect the basics. So if you want to revise your basics and if you want to get ahead of your class, you can always attend these sessions live, or you can go to our ImproMaths YouTube channel and you will see the playlist where all the previous sessions have been listed. Okay, so let's start today. Today is part 3 of percentages, and we are going to learn about applications of percentages. Now, in the last session, we did a percentage change, percentage decrease, and percentage increase. Now, let's quickly write down the formula for percentage increase and decrease. I will share my screen first. Okay, so percentage change is new value minus old value over old value multiplied by 100. Okay, now this is the same formula for percentage increase, because in the case of percentage increase, your new value is greater than your old value multiplied by 100. Now in case of percentage decrease, we have old value minus new value over old value multiplied by 100. Now, same principle we are going to apply for profit and loss. So, for profit and loss, okay, before we start profit percent and loss percent, let's just check what is profit and what is loss. Now, there are two quantities involved here. First is cost price, and second is selling price. Cost price is for what the merchant purchases that particular item, and selling price is the price for which he sells it to the consumers. Okay, so your profit is the selling price has to be more than the cost price, so SP minus CP. Your loss is selling price less than cost price, so CP minus SP. So according to our increase or decrease percentage formula, we have percentage profit is equal to SP minus CP over CP multiplied by 100, and percentage loss is equal to CP minus SP over CP multiplied by 100. Okay. So these are the two formulas for percentage profit and percentage loss. Now this is the first application of percentage that we are going to do today, and if time permits we will do simple interest also, which is also another topic of application in percentage. So let's take for let's see your supermarket. Their cost price for a certain item is, let's say, $4. Okay, and their selling price is, let's say, $6. Okay, so now your profit is going to be equal to 6 minus 4, that is $2. So profit percent, or percent profit in this case, is equal to 2 over 4 multiplied by 100. So that is equal to 50%. So they are marking up to 50% of profit. Now this is a very, very unrealistic figure. The profit percentages are not this high. So what we will do is we will actually take some examples. Now I'm using Hayes and Harris MYP book 7, which is a standard IB book for grade 7 for these examples. So let's take, first of all, we have to find percentage loss or profit for a CD that was, whose cost price was $50, but its selling price was $30. Now we know that our selling price is less than our cost price. So we are going to say that this is a loss. And loss is how many dollars? 50 minus 30 equal to $20 loss. So now we are going to calculate the loss percentage. Okay. Percentage loss is 20 over 50 multiplied by 100. So it is a 40% loss. Okay. Next one, let's say is John bought a car for 5,000 pounds and then sold it for 6,250 pounds. Whether he had a loss or profit and what was the percentage. So his CP was pounds 5,000 and his SP was pounds 6,250. Okay. So what did he have? Did he have a profit or did he have a loss? He had a profit because his SP is greater than his CP. So his profit is equal to 6,250 minus 5,000. That is equal to 1,250 pounds. So profit percent is equal to 1,250 over 5,000. Answer is 25%. 5 times 1, 5 times 25 times 5 is 125. Okay. So now let's see what happens when your profit percent is given, or find a question like that. So now they are saying that cost price of an object is 500 pounds and percent profit is equal to 20%. So find the selling price of this particular good. So we are going to write the formula. Now another way of writing the percent profit formula can be written as profit over CP multiplied by 100. So here we have 20 equal to profit over 500 multiplied by 100. Now this 500 will go on here and get multiplied with 20. So we have 10,000, okay, is equal to 100 times profit. So profit is equal to 100 pounds. Therefore, selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So CP plus profit. So here it is going to be selling price is 600 pounds. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now, can we do the same thing for percent loss? So they have said CP is equal to 350, okay, dollars, and percent loss is equal to 25%. So loss percent also has this formula, is equal to loss over CP into 100. So 25 is equal to loss over CP into 100. So loss is equal to, our CP is 350. 350, sorry, here 350. So 350 times 25 over 100 times 1 times 4. So it is going to come in decimals. So 350 is 87.5. So the loss is $87.5. Therefore, now selling price in this case is cost price minus loss. Okay, so that is equal to 350 minus 87.5, which is equal to how much? 262.5. So your selling price is $262.5. Okay. Now we are going to work on discount. Okay. So what does discount mean? Discount means that there is something called as a marked price. Marked price means the particular item is generally sold at this particular price. And then when it is discounted, that becomes the selling price. So your selling price is equal to marked price minus the discount. Okay. So what we are going to do is when we have the percentage discount, we are actually going to calculate how much that percentage discount amounts to, and we are going to subtract it from the marked price. Okay. Now they are saying that if a marked price of a golf set is 1300 euros, so let's call it MP. MP is equal to 1300 euros, and there is a 12% discount. Okay, so we have to first find discount of this one. So what we are going to do is 12% discount means we will subtract 100 minus 12 equal to 88%. Okay, so your selling price is equal to selling price is equal to 88 times market price. This is another way of doing it. Okay, so selling price is equal to 100. So 88 over 100 into 1300. So that is equal to 144. 1144. So selling price for this item is going to be 1144 euros. Okay, this is your answer. So now when we calculate, now they have said that discount is equal to 55 cents and selling price is equal to $2.45. So we have to find discount as percentage marked and marked price. So marked price is easy. Marked price is equal to your selling price plus discount. So marked price is equal to $2.45 plus 0.55, that is equal to $3. Now your percentage discount will be equal to discount over marked price multiplied by 100. So that is equal to 55 or 0.55 divided by 3 multiplied by 100. So 0.55 divided by 3, that will give you 18.33%. 18.33%. Okay. So this is how we work out the discount. Now let's start with something called a simple interest. What is simple interest? So let's say that you have about $100 and you decided to put that $100 in a bank for, let's say, 2 years, and bank promised that they will give you 5% interest on it in your savings or whatever account you have. So that means that there is some amount that the bank will add in your savings every year. That amount is called the simple interest. Okay. Now, this, in case of simple interest, it is always calculated with respect to your initial amount. So, which is called the principal. Okay. So, principal is equal to, let's say, your $100. Then we have rate of interest which the bank is promising. Let's say bank is saying they will give you 5%, which is too high, by the way. And in, at least in case of Singapore, in India it is average. And time, which is the time period for which you are going to keep that investment in the bank, let's say it is 2 years. Okay, so at the end of 2 years, if when the bank gives you simple interest, how much money you will get, that is the amount. So we have to find two things here. First is simple interest and second is amount. Now the formula for simple interest is P R T over 100. So that means principal into rate into time over 100. That will give you the simple interest. So here your principal is 100, your rate of interest is 5, your time is 2, the whole over 100. So your simple interest for 2 years is going to be $10. So at the end of 2 years, you will get 100 plus 10, $110. Okay. Now simple interest is a very, very vast topic, and I'm just introducing it right now. But in the next session, we will go deep into simple interest. Okay, and see how what kind of different questions we can do, and that will be the end of our percentage chapter. So I'll see you next Monday. Till then, bye bye.